Can I know like what do you do, your name and what do you do?
My name is Revti Ravan. I am from Gujarat basically. Yeah, I work here at Urban Company.
Acha.
Yeah.
So how is Bangalore? Kaisa like experience everything?
Bangalore has been nice. I did my masters here. So I graduated from here only. I did my post graduation here. Directly just joined a company, started working.
Super. In Bangalore, what do you like the most?
In Bangalore, what I used to like was the weather, but right now it's not that good.
Everyone is saying the same thing. Yeah.
When I did my masters, it was not never this hot.
Okay.
Like,
कब किया था? Probably 18, 19.
21.
21. Okay. That's very
Yeah.
recent. Okay. So last time 2016 में हुआ था. It was very hot that time. Coastal city like Chennai, Calcutta. Then I think before that it happened in 2007 or 6.
Okay.
So according to you, what do you think is the most important in life?
Important in life.
Yeah.
Because I work right now, I just feel like kindness is super important.
Kindness.
Yeah, being considerate, like like being considerate to each other. That is more important because all are humans in this world. I just feel like people
This is your
should
first
be.
job?
Yeah.
I've been there.
So I feel like people should be more considerate about each other. Yeah,
Sorry.
even if the hierarchy is there or not
Correct.
there. But as in general, I feel people should be more considerate and kind towards each other.
So you would say kindness is really important.
Yeah, super important. It really affects you very much.
I've been there, so I'll tell you the exact scenario. I met a producer, I was talking to him, and I was asking him to be kind. Like, think about the project, don't think about the way it is going, my experience. You don't expect people to be kind towards you because the world is not really like that.
Yeah, maybe
But the
this
truth-
is my first job because of that. I'm just finding it a little hard to understand and stuff. But I've been in a place where I had lots of friends. Not even friends also. In college, everyone used to be very chill and kind. And if you go ask, you feel comfortable there, right?
Correct.
Yeah, but right now it's just that I'm just seeing a different
No,
part
I
of
think
this world.
it's true.
My
But-
teammates and all are nice. It's very nice. It's just nothing like I expected it to be.
I understand.
Yeah, it's just a harsh world. I never realized.
No, that is how it is. But to expect kindness, it is right. Obviously, because there is so much chaos happening. There's so many negative things. Everyone is like so rushed, particularly in this period, 2024. One of the reasons also why I started is this because the podcast and doing bike taxi. I've learned one thing is that people are like really scared talking to strangers. That is evident because now people have.
There's so many things happening. Yeah,
Correct. I understand that. But talking to strangers or just talking is बहुत कम हुआ है.
But in Bangalore, still it's very easy.
Yeah,
Like,
that
you
is
feel
there, definitely.
very comfortable talking to a
Welcoming.
stranger also.
Ji.
It's not that bad.
Correct.
Like I never felt it's very strange at all. Because I do Uber every day.
Super.
It's my everyday thing right now after work. So yeah, it's nice to find people who can talk to. People are very open to things right now here. So it's very easy to get into things and all, explore and stuff. Unlike other cities, even I am from Jamnagar, but it's a small city, right? So you don't get to explore much. But here there are so many things to explore out.
Exactly.
Various people from different places. Everyone has different mentality, different idea of things. So it's easy and it's very nice to be in Bangalore and like explore stuff.
What makes you happy in life?
Wow. Very tough question right now. What makes me happy right now? Nothing as of now. But my happiness lies in small things. I get happy very easily.
Super.
I don't need big things to happen or something like that. Small things make me happy. But yeah, if I need like my dream is to just like every child has that dream to make their parents proud about their daughter or son.
Correct.
Something like that. So I just want my parents to feel about me like, yeah, my daughter is doing this, doing that. So that's it, nothing else.
Super.
So from past 1 week, work is stressful like
Okay.
anything. Like it's too much for me to now. I don't know, maybe it's my first job because of that or what, I don't know. But yeah, it's really hard right now. But
Okay.
I'll just figure out things, I guess. Everyone goes through this. So
Yeah.
maybe I'll also figure out.
Correct. So this idea of doing podcast also, I got it last week.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I've been doing it from last week. I recorded almost 60, somewhere around 60 or 70. I got this idea very late, and I'm really angry on myself because I
Why?
got the idea very late.
But it's better late than never. No? At least you started late, but at least you started it. That's what matters.
Correct.
Even for me, I sometimes feel maybe I just joined a company little too soon. Like I just graduated, I didn't want to let myself even breathe a minute, take some break from studies or anything. I just wanted to start something, work, like be able to stand for myself and all that stuff.
No, I
so
would say-
immediately I just joined a company, started struggling and everything.
It's fine. I think struggle is good. I think you're a strong woman. I don't know if I'm not right or wrong, but I would say you're strong. Just a small example. You won't believe this. I was thinking when I talk to people, if I ask permission that I want to record and do a podcast, women would say no and men would say yes. This is what I was thinking. But it's going reverse. Mostly women say yes, men say no. You said immediately yes, and I really like your energy, the way you're talking. So I think you're a strong person. You're doing good. One thing is that we are always, हम बहुत सोचते हैं ना उसके बारे में, इसके बारे में, काम के बारे में, family के बारे में. We don't really think about ourselves.
Yeah,
Self-love
true.
is very less.
I've started to think about myself right now.
That's awesome.
That's because it's like too much हो जाता है ना, like
Yeah.
बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है that you can't tolerate anymore.
I've
That
been
is
there.
when you finally start thinking, okay, what are you even doing in life?
भाई थोड़ा शांत हो जा.
Yeah,
Take
that
care
is how
about
I'm starting to
yourself.
think about myself. Right
It's
now.
good. It's really good. No, I think job after graduation के बाद is also good. You can take a break whenever you want.
I do want to
अच्छा, okay.
take a break, but I just don't want to stop working also at the same time. I didn't do my PG just to sit idle at home, right? So those things are really bothering. I just want to work, be able to stand for myself at least, do something for my family. That's my most major goal right now.
Awesome.
But as of now, it's been like what, 9 months since I started working, and till now only for little goals I've been able to. I can't help them out much financially also.
I get it.
Mentally also I can't because I'm physically in Bangalore. They are in Gujarat.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
I've been there. I think I'm still there. You'll have that feel that you're not supporting your family.
In Bangalore, how much ever you earn, it's not just
Uh-huh.
it's just going off, because if you're alone, you need to take care of so many things.
Hmm.
It's tiring also, but at the same time you feel like okay, growth is there. At the end, I feel right now I should not bother about money and all.
Exactly.
I should just grow right now.
Yeah. I really learned that very late. Even if you're not like really doing everything, no, you're doing a small initiative, right? That's more than enough.
Hmm.
So what I'm trying to tell is that even if you feel that you're not doing like complete support, like maybe even financially or whatever, that small support what you're giving them, it really matters a lot.
Hmm. But are you a Kannadiga, proper Kannadiga only?
My mother tongue is Telugu.
Okay.
So what do you think about this? What I'm doing now, the podcast?
No, it's actually fun. It's nice also, no? You get to learn more about people.
Exactly.
Everyone has different POV, right?
Yes.
Everyone's thinking process is different. But you'll meet people with different perspectives in life. So it's actually nice. It helps you out also a lot. I
Exactly.
like talking to people because what I think might not be what they think in certain things, right?
Exactly.
In certain situations.
Different
I'll act in a
perspectives.
different way, they'll act in a different way. Good to know how people react,
Correct.
how perspectives change, differ from people to people. So it's actually nice. I like talking because of that.
Super.
Yeah, because my mind is this much. If I talk, I think this much. So it makes sense.
Correct.
Yeah.
No, likewise, when I was like doing a bike taxi, after 6 months, I was in a really bad situation. So I made a list, pros and cons of doing bike taxi. Pro is that you talk to people, witness a lot of different perspectives. You meet people with really different vibrations. Some are really sad, some are really angered, some are really like stressed. The other pro is that you talk to people, you get some practice talking to people. Con is only that thing is health issues, you might get some health issues, pollution, dehydration and everything.
Yeah.
But ठीक है, it's fine. To be honest, I'm happy doing this. Earning तो कुछ नहीं है, that's the only thing. But yeah, you should not really worry about your like earning at young age. The only thing is that you have to get a lot of skills, experience and everything. That's what it matters.
Mm.
Meeting a lot of people, right? So,
Yeah. That's actually cool, no?
Gee. But the one thing is that not everyone should do bike taxi or something like that. But one thing is that you should reach out to people.
Oh, yeah.
There's some
Yeah,
issue,
yeah.
right?
True,
Like,
true.
so what are you really good at? Like you would say this is my superpower. So what would you say that this is what I know and I'm proud about?
Oh,
Yeah.
like work-wise, if I say I'm proud that I could do it this nicely, whatever I'm doing, I think I'm doing good at it. I used to be a state level Kho player.
Oh,
I used
super.
to love Kho so much.
Okay.
Yeah, I used to give my heart and soul, practice everything.
Okay.
I used to be one of the best player in that Jamnagar city. So every year in district level matches, our team used to come first. I love Kho so much that it's been so many years since I played it because अभी time भी नहीं है, लोग भी नहीं है. Kho is all about team, right?
Yeah.
You can't play individually in the field.
That's
I used to
correct.
train my team also very nicely because I was super proud about that. I could drastically see how they're changing. In front of my eyes, I could see them improving their performance. Made me super happy, super proud also. So I do miss that era. Yeah, I'm proud of how I am. Whatever I am right now. Even if I do dumb shits, everyone does. But yeah, I'm happy whatever I am with myself right now. So I'm like super tired also. Work and all. I was working till now. Till 7:45 I was working only.
No, that's really not good. Maybe it's good for some time, maybe for the first 6 months, but please don't try to continue that.
No, my work life really needs me to work this much.
Okay. But gee, health important, your mental peace is really important.
Oh yeah. Missing out on that lately.
I actually really like your energy, the way you speak. It's really nice.
Thank you. I just like talking.
Super.
Office mein I don't have anyone to talk to. But still, I try to not be very goofy and talkative.
No, I think it's fine. You should be goofy.
But no one in my office is, so I can't be that goofy and talkative. So I try to endure and
Okay.
control myself a lot.
Okay.
Either ja.
Okay. Cool. It was really nice talking to you.
Yeah,
Thank
same
you.
here.
I'll-
But whatever you're doing is really cool right now. Like, it's nice.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, people like me who actually need to, like, talk and all. When we talk to strangers, so many things that we don't even know comes out.
Correct.
So it's actually nice.
No, I told you right. I'm a really shy person. I was thinking like talking to people is not. It's not my cup of tea.
Mm.
But that's.
No, you're doing great, right?
Thank you.
Bas idhar hi.
Either way. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it was nice meeting you though.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.